Hey yeah, everybody, Joe here, gonna check out a puzzle today by Raumplaner and Qodec. It is called 1080 Degrees. The rules are normal Sudoku rules, that's 1 to 9 in every row, column, and 3 by 3 box, and quadruples are digits and circles must appear at least once in the 4 surrounding cells. So, I see 2s. Twos are gonna be a 3. Alright, I see a 3 around this one. A 3 must go around this one then. Three will be one of these. An 8 there. This one 8 there. This will have the other one. So an 8 will be on this side. But also, an 8 will be down here. I wonder if the 3 was going to do that as well. That was here and here. It does, look. It's going to be these two. So this one, the 3 will be over here. And then also the 3 is over there. So, are there more of these? They are a little bit hard to see. This one has a 3, a 3. So a 3 will be down here. And that's because they're on the first 2 rows of both of those boxes, so they can't be in the middle box on the top 2. Four. Four is doing something weird. 4 has a lot. I'm not sure. This one has a 3 though. I mean, well, these could have the same digit again as well, but it won't be a 3. Because if a 3 was on this side, then you can see how this one would be broke. But a 1 could be like that, for instance, or a 2 could be like that. It just says that it must appear at least once. But the ones I have marked here can't, or else it would break a different one. Okay, I need to find more of these. Because I don't have enough to start here. If I found one more that went only in those though, I guess I would have a triple. I don't have that yet though. A 5. 5s are doing something as well, maybe. I'm not quite sure on that. I mean, I think they are, but it's gonna be kind of like 4 was, I believe. Oh, they are kind of. Say if the 5 was there, the 5 would be there. Oh, but then it could go either one of those. I don't know if that would do anything. 8. A 3 has to be around here. Or, wait a minute. Yeah, that is true. But a 3 can't go there, but... Oh, okay, so it... Right. It goes in one of those. But it could still go here, and then down here. But it could go there and down there as well. So, that's a bit tricky. And 8 will be around there. Here, and 8 will go around. Yeah, one of these. Also, 8 will be around one of those as well. I don't get the help on that one like I did the 3 though. So if the 3 went here, 3 is also going here. If the 3 went here, it would go there. It would be down there. That's not gonna give me nothing. Don't think. Could still be in any of those. Any of those. Yeah. This was an 8, that would be a 3. 3 would go there. How about if the 8 went on this side? It would be there and there. None of these have 4 either. I mean, 4 digits. Hmm. There's a 9 around here. That's the only 9. Oh no, here's a 9 as well. Let me just start at 1. Look for something. Oh, there's one right there. So this will have a 1. And this, one of those, one side will be a 1. So 1 will be down here. I think that's all I'll get out of that. A 2. Not much there. The 3, I think I worked. Let me make sure I didn't miss something. 3, I've got like that. These will be in some way. Four. Yeah, they're not quite giving me much. They're all offset a little bit. Fives. I think they were the same, weren't they? All offset a little bit. Okay, 6s then. sevens. Getting less and less now. 8. And 9. I think 9 only had 2. So I think this maybe be, so I have 7 cells here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Not sure what that means. This is a 1 though. Oh, that's not. It's not doing anything, is it? If the 1 is here and the 1 is there, it's not gonna do anything either. Let's just say it's there then. That's not gonna do anything either. How do I get started? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there's only 10 cells. There's only one other number. It could be one of these numbers though, that go in these 10 cells. Or any of these. They're all gonna be like that, aren't they? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 5, 7, 9. Well, okay then. What is it this way? Is that gonna be the same? Nine times 4, that's 36 written numbers in these circles. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 35, 38, 41. There's 5 digits. Dang, that's more than I thought it would be. Is that right? 7, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26, 36. Wait, what? I got 36 that time. I know this is 16. Seventeen, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. That is 36. And written out in these circles are 36 numbers. There's 3, 5, 7, 9. This has 9. This has 9. This has 9. That's 9 times 4, 36. The amount of cells here are 36. So if a number is not written in these cells, let me find one. So here, for example, there are no 2's. So a 2 must go over here. Because there are 36 written out numbers and there are 36 cells around each of these in total. So a 9, for instance. Let me just start at one box and work my way around. I'll start here actually. Oh, good enough. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Literally, I only get a 2 there then. Down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No 6, no 7. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No 8, no 9. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 only. So here must be a 9 because there's not one written in those. So that is a 9. And that was a pretty neat break-in. honestly. And now this has to be a 9. Because again, it's not written out around there. And now a 9 will have to be in one of the, or, yeah, it will have to be, if it's in one of these, it won't fit, because we have exactly enough numbers. So it has to be in one of these. So it has to be in one of these. So this is not a 9. Same thing on this side. It can't be in one of those. It can't be up here. So it has to be there. And now it has to be there. And now this one will be on one of those. And 9s are started. Well, then let's look at 8s. Because 8 has to be in one of these now, because it can't be there. And we know that 8 is in this vertical, so 8 must be there. 8 can be there though. Let's go down to this side then. Oh, maybe that's not. 8 could be. 8 can't be here though. It could be there though. If 8 was here, it would force it to there. So 8 can be here, but 8 cannot be here, or else it would have to be there. Or somewhere down here where it can't be, I should say. So 8 cannot be in either one of these. So 8 is in one of those. But it can't be here, because then it would have to go here again, and it can't. So this one is 8. And now one of these is 8. But if the 8 went here, oh, that would be okay. Eight, 9. Is that all I do with that then for now? Oh, an 8 must be here now. And here. And then this is not an 8. So we have this one looking at it. If an 8 is here, could be there. If an 8 is here, could be wherever. Sure. That's okay. So what else? Was it 2? 2 can be in neither one of those. So 2 will be down here. A 2 could be there though. And then in one of those, that would be fine. So 2 may not be the number. So let's look at 6, and then we'll come back for 7. So 6 can be in neither one of these. Or 6 is in one of these, is what I meant. It cannot be in one of those. It's in one of those. Six cannot be here. Could be there though. This could have a 6, 7, and 2, perhaps. Am I doing this correctly? I don't know that I am, actually. Did I count them right? This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. One, two, three, 4, 5. That doesn't seem to make sense. I'm gonna keep trying like I am though, because it feels right. At the same time, it feels kind of wrong. Because in these cells here, there's 7. There's only 5 numbers. So how can that equal 36 and 36? But I've counted 3 times. I have to trust my counting by now. Okay, so 6 is going there. 6 can go there though, or anywhere there. Six has to go here. We're going this way with the 6s. Maybe the point is so I'm gonna say a 6 has to be down here. far am I? Yeah, I think so. What about a 7? A 7 will have to do the same thing. It's gonna make a combo there, right? A 7 is gonna go around there. And now it also needs to go around there. What about 7 this way? 7 this way. It'll have to be around there. I don't know if it goes in that though. Okay, we have a 6, 7. One of these can be a 7. A 7. A 6 and a 7 is in here somewhere with some other number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only one more can go here. Ah. Okay, a 6. Oh no, wait. That doesn't really necessarily mean that. A 6 does for sure go here, though. And if it goes here, then the 6 goes there. A 7 could go here, and then there, and then there, or there, and then up there. I'm not sure. This row down here is missing 3, 4, 5. Is that it? This has 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 3, 4, 5 only. Because the 4 cannot be down here. It's either there or there. The 3, not quite sure of though. So if this was 3, the 5 would be down here. That was 3. This could be 3 or 4. The 5 could be over here. Oh no, the 5 would have to be over here. The 4 would have to be over here. And the 4 would go there. And the 4 would go there. 4 would go there. 4 would go there. So the 4 would be in the corner. 4 will go there. 4 will go up here. It seems to track okay. Maybe. The 3. Four. 7. 7. I have the 6. Right, so these are 6 or 7. So one of them will be there. Can both of them? Probably. Oh, I've got marks everywhere. So confusing. If the 1 goes here. Don't know that I like that. If the 1 goes here. Don't like that either. I need a big thonk. A 2, no. I need a number that can't go all the way up a vertical or something. And what would that be? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. But if a 9 went here. Oh no. Golly, that wouldn't work either. What if it went here then? That would be 9, that would be 9. Oops. One of these would be 9. That's not gonna give me nothing. 6, 7. Both go here. Neither one can go here. Neither one can go there. One of them, at least one of them, will have to go up here. They could go there and there as well, though. The 6 cannot go on that side. Six goes like that. That's wild. That is no good. The 6 could go there, there and there. Can the 6 not go there? No, it definitely could. Can the 6 go there? It could be there and there, or it could be there and there. If the 6 went here, it would be like the same, but there, if it goes there, it can go there. And that is the part. Yeah. Then I guess that would make the 7 have to go there. Or no, it could go there. That's crazy. Then the 7 would have to go there. Or, well no, it could go in one of those still. Alright, I need to look at the correct number. And the correct number only. So I'll try to do that. But still, a 4 does not go down here. I know a 2 doesn't. I know a 1 doesn't. I know an 8 doesn't. What did I say? It's only a 3, 4, or 5 that I don't have placed in this row. Well, the 3 can't go there. So this side has to be a 4 or 5. This side has to be a 3 or 5. And this side can be any. I definitely don't like all those marks. Okay, so what am I doing with that? Because I am not sure. If a 3 goes right here, then this has to be 5. That would be 5. So that would be 5. So 5 would be up here. But then 5 would have to be there. So it would not be there. And then I could go in any one of those though. So I don't think I can use 5. For a trial. This will be one of those. Well, no. It's either a 4 or a 5 on this side. If it's a 4, 4 must go there. And then 4 must go there. So it would be there in the corner. And then this would be a 483, wouldn't it? Oh, no. 3 could be over there. Okay, keep going here. So one of those would be a 4. 4 would be up here. 4 being down there would mean that the 4 had to go here. So 4 does not go down here. So 5 is what goes down here. So this is 5. And now this is 5. Now 5 is here. And now 5 is here. So that is not 5. That is 5. And now we have 5 up here. Oh, that can still be 5 down there. 5 cannot go in one of those, though. Could go up there. Okay, so now about the... Okay, so the 3 goes here, though, because 4 has to go there. Okay, there we go. So that is putting 3 here. And now we have 3 up along there and up along there. We already had it up there. We have it here. Oh. We have it. Okay. 3. It's not there though. I guess that's it for now. And then we have a 4 over here. Would be the point. So we have 2, 4, 8. So this is a 1, this is a 5 only, I think. Or where did I get the... How did I get the 1? Why is this not a 1 option? Oh, because of that. Right, okay. So this can only be a 1 or a 5. And it must be a 5. Now the 1 has to be there. So the 8 there. And there. Now we're moving. So this has to be a 4 now. Oh, but look, that doesn't have... Oh, a 2. Wow. Okay. There'll be a 2 here now, which means that there's gonna be a 2 there. I see... What is this 6? Oh, it's a corner mark from there. Okay. So there's gonna be a 4 over here, which most likely needs to be there, but... Well, yeah, it can't be the 6 or the 7, so it will be the 4. Oh, wait a minute, we're missing another digit. What is the other digit? It's 4, 6, 7. This can be 2, 6, 7. This is 2, 6, 7. And then the other 6, 7 has to go there. So this will be 4. Okay. So the 8 is on this side, we have that. If I am doing this right, it is a very cool puzzle, but it feels so weird. For some reason. Alright, where do I go now? There must be an 8 here. If it has a 9, there's a 4 there. What about maybe... I have the 6 down here. So there's gonna be a 6 and 7 up here somewhere. I mean, this is gonna be one of them. Whoops. That's gonna be one of them. And this will be the other, of course. I don't know if that's gonna do what I was wanting it to do. I might keep that though for now. This one, though, I might do these two. Is this pink? Either one, if it's a 1 or a 5, it's gonna have to be here. And this one, make it blue. If it's a 1 or a 5, it can't be here, because then it would have to be there. So, blue one's gonna be here. And then it'll be here. And if it's not a 1, then it has to be at the top. But if I find out that something else has to be here, then it will need to be a 1. Let me get some music going here. Okay. So then pink is gonna be over here. That could be green. No, this cannot be green. Because it would have to appear down here again. And it couldn't appear here again because we're using maximum digits. And it can't and it can't be the 6 if it's there because there's no 6 around this bubble. The green is over here. I do believe that means. What about 3, 4? Three, 4 here. It could still be one of those, or one of those. So maybe not that yet. I'm started though, so maybe that will help along the way. Which one of these get... Oh, what about this? Oh, if that is a 5, goes up there. If this is a 1, then that's pink. I guess that's okay. Yeah. 3, 4 though. 3, 4 being here tells me something. 2. One, 6, 3, 5. It tells me these are those, aren't they? 2, 1, 6, 3, 5. Oh no, missing 1. 2, 1, 6, 3, 5. So one of these. There will be a 4 or a 7 here. So there is also going to be a blue or a pink up here. I don't know which. Oh, I can't be 1. So if you fill these up, we know a 2 is down here. 2, 1, 6. Oh, the 5 could be down here though. The 3 could be up here. So I don't know that. Ooh, it's close though. It is close. If this is 6, a 6 must go up there. And then it would have to go here, and there, and then there, and in one of those. That seems okay though. Come on. Where do I go? If this is 5, or if this is 5. 5 is in one of these. That is okay. Don't know if I like marking that, but 5 is in one of them. I need more. Oh. Right. Okay, back to this. 2, 1, 6, 3, 5. One of these is down here, which means that only 1 is here, which means that 2 of this number is here. And we know the 3 is on this side, so this is a 1, 2. That feels right. I'm gonna hope that's right. So this is a 2. This is the number not 2. This is not blue now. This will be a 1 or a 6. And this will be a 4 or a 7. Okay. So we have one number here. Let's try the same thing. We have 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. As in, if the 2 is on this side, 6, 7, 5, 4, we wouldn't be able to fit all the digits in. So the 2 is here or here, and for some reason, I guess it could still be there. But I guess the point is, let me go back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have one number left. I can't go here because I need that cell. So that has to be 2. And since the 6 is down here, this has to be 1, 5. So this is 1 and that is 5. Because the 6 was on this side. I think. So 2 is neither color. 1 is now blue. Pink is now 5, so 1 must go there. 5 can still be either of those though. It can't be that one. It can be either of those. But 5 is up here now. Oh, is this the only... That is the only spot for 5 as well. And this is pink. Might as well keep them going. So these two are not. And the corner is now. So that is like that. 1 is blue. Let's keep those going. So now we have the other 6, 7. Don't know if that means anything yet. It means it's yellow, but don't know if it means anything else. We have a 2 here as well. So that's all that's left. It looks like, whoops, this was 4, 8, and that is 2. And okay, so 4 or 9 is, or well, 3 or 7. Can either one of them go here? I think either one could. But one of them will go up there. One of these will go down here. And then one of 4, 9 will go on either side as well. And that will finish our 36 digits in our 36 cells. 2, 8. So we've had them both. So this has to be a 6 or 7. That has to be a 6 or 7. So there's going to be a 4 on that side with a 3. And this one has had 2, 3, 4, so it must have the 6. And this one will have a 3 or 5. And this one will be 3, 4, 5, 7. And this one will be 3, 4, 7. And this one will just be 4 or 7. 3, 4, 6, 7. But this one will be 3, 4, 7. That's all that's left. Well, 3, 4, 5, 7 is all that's left in the column. 5's already in that box. So that does that. this will be 3, 4, 6, 7. I'm just gonna mark it. And this will be 3, 4, 6, 7 as well. Why not? So okay. So am I marking 3 4s now? Oh no. Pink is definitely over there. Let me go ahead and mark the colors that I have started already. I think I will continue to color. One of these will be 1. 1 has to be in one of those. Oh, what do we have left up here? We have 2 combos here. 3, 4, and a 6, 7. So we have 9 there already. So we're missing 1, 2, and 9, yeah. Okay then. So 1, 2, 9 is a triple. So over here is 3, 4, 6, 7. Over here is 6. Right? Yeah. But not in the corner. And then 3, 4, or 7. So the corner's 3, 4 only. So it's something like that. The corner being 3, 4 only. 3, 4 I can probably start mapping around to. But I've only got these 2. And can't really make sense out of them here. Maybe. Right. So green. I don't think green, yeah, green can't go here. I think I said that before. Because then it would go down here again. So that is green. And that will be 7. No, that will be 4. And now that will be 7. And it is green. That is 7. Yellows are 6. Three. It's in the corner, I think. Oh, wait. Let me back that up. Okay. Whoops. Ah, what I hit. I had page down. Okay. 6. That is not 3. But why did I not... A 3 could go there. Okay, I hold there then. Alright, this has 7, so that is sorted. This is now, whoops, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 3 is going there, so it is 3 in the corner. We'll get a lot done at the bottom as well. Not quite on that, but we do get the 8 here. It must go there now. This has to be the 9, or no, can this be the 4? This can still be 4 or 9. It will be one of them. And the other one will be up here. This can't be the 7 though. So the 3 has to be up here with the 6. So it will be this away. And now the 7 will be down here, which has to go there. So this will be the 4 or the 9, which must be the 4. And that must be the 9. And now this side is finished up there. That is pink. We get work done at the top. 4, 4, 6. This will have a 5. So that's a 1, 2, 5 triple. And we'll have a 4 over here, it looks like. 4 will be there from Sudoku. What else do we have? We have a 7 either there or there. This sees 1, 2, can be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This sees everything but 3. So 1, 5, 7 is in the row there. 1, 5, 7. This can only be 1. So that is 5. That is 7. And now I think it'll all fall apart. Man, I thought that was a really cool puzzle on the break-in and stuff. I didn't think I was gonna get started, to be honest, but I'm glad I counted out how many cells I had to work with, and when it came out to 36 and 36 and I knew there would be no repeats or whatever, that was cool. So this will have a, is it a 6? I think so. So yeah, I mean, very nice puzzle by Raumplaner and Qodec called 1080 Degrees. Try it out yourself and link below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and bye bye.